Alphabet animal with sound. S. S for sheep. Sheep means bear. Sheep says ba. Ba. S for sheep. Sheep says ba. T. T for tiger. Tiger means bag. Tiger says growl. Growl. T for tiger. Tiger says growl. U. U for Urial. Urial means jungly bear. Urial says bleat. Bleat. U for Urial. Urial says bleat. V. V for Vulture. Vulture means geese. Vulture says Screech. Screech. V for Vulture. Vulture says Screech. W. W for Wolf. Wolf means bear. Wolf says Howl. Howl. W for wolf. Wolf says howl. X. X for Xerus. Xerus means Afriki giladi. Xerus says squeak. Squeak. X for Xerus. Xerus says squeak. Y. Y for yak. Yak means yak. Yak says grunt. Grunt. Y for yak. Yak says grunt. Z. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra. Zebra says whistle. Whistle. Z for zebra. Zebra says whistle. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.